Hello guys, welcome to Practical Fish Talk. When you are setting up a new tank, for first 2 to 8 weeks, you are most likely to lose lot of fish in your new tank. It is because when there is no beneficial bacteria in your new tank, your fish's poop will be releasing ammonia because it starts to decay, and ammonia levels will spike and starts killing your fish. Beneficial bacteria is something which converts ammonia to nitrite and nitrite to nitrate. So nitrate is something which we have to take care of by changing water by 50% every week. If you want to know more about nitrogen cycle, I am giving the link in below description so that you can go and check it out. In that video, I will explain more about nitrogen cycle and hacks and tricks to speed up the process. If you are opting a traditional way to cycle your aquarium, which is nothing but adding fish and letting the beneficial bacteria get created on its own, so any fish will not survive in your new tank. So you will have to be very careful and cautious in choosing your fish to add in a new tank, because hardy fish will be very helpful to cycle your aquarium because they are very hardy, they are not going to die soon. On the other hand, if you buy some soft fish, some fish which dies very soon, then you are going to lose too many fish and you will have to spend a lot of money. So these are the top 7 fish, very hardy fish, super strong, which you can add in your new tank and cycle your aquarium. Without wasting any time, let's see how to do it. Black or white skirt tetras are one of the good options to choose to cycle your aquarium. So these are very good fish. These are hardy fish which is easily available in all pet stores. I don't really want to use the word cheap, but these are very less expensive. You can always go for this fish to cycle your aquarium. Based on the size of tank, for example, if it is 2 feet tank, then you can buy 6 fish and have it in a new tank. Mollies are again one of the best fish for cycling your aquarium. These are also very easily available in all pet stores, and these are very good tail nippers. So I normally don't like this fish, I'm really sorry to say that, but these are that kind of fish which always shows aggression on some other kind of fish. But to cycle your aquarium, this is one of the best option. So you can always go for mollies because they are again less expensive and easily available. For first 2 weeks, this is one of the best fish to use to create beneficial bacteria in your tank. So without any second thought, you can go for this. If you go by looks, platies are very soft fish, very cute. But platies are not as soft as they look. They are really hardy fish and they are really capable of surviving in large variety of water parameters. So it is always good to use platies also if you are fan of platies to cycle your aquarium. After your aquarium is well set with beneficial bacteria, these fish, platies, are really good. You can always keep instead of giving back to aquarium shop or someone else who wants to have it. You can have this fish in your aquarium, and you can have some other compatible fish with platies even after nitrogen cycle is set in your tank. Tiger barbs are really aggressive fish. Whenever they see some other fish which has long tails, they will just go straight away and they will start nipping their tails. So these are one hardy fish which you can definitely use for cycling your aquarium. Within a short time, they are not going to lose their lives for sure. These are very hardy, as I told, and you can definitely use this fish for cycling your aquarium. So I would recommend you to keep only tiger barbs in the tank until your nitrogen cycle is set, until beneficial bacteria is created, because if you add some other fish, then definitely there are chances tiger barbs will go and start nipping their tails or something like that. So the purpose is to cycle your aquarium. For cycling your aquarium, just keep one type of fish out of whichever the fish which I am going to suggest now and which I have suggested already in this video. So tiger barbs are also one of the good option to cycle your aquarium. Sharkfish is one of the best fish for cycling your aquarium because this fish is very hardy. Out of all the other fish which I already suggested you, this is one of the best among all to cycle your aquarium. So after 2 or 4 weeks, I would definitely recommend you to give it back to aquarium shop or to anyone who wants to have it. Because if you want to keep this fish with you, then you should keep on upgrading your aquarium. You should keep on buying larger aquarium every time. So this fish really grows very large. Plecostomus, which is also known as sucker cat in India. So this is one fish which you can use for cycling your aquarium. Also, after your aquarium is cycled, you can always keep this fish because it is not going to trouble any of the other fish. You can use this fish for cycling your aquarium. Within 2 to 4 weeks, your aquarium will be set with beneficial bacteria. And also this fish will help eating all the algae which will be created inside the tank. So this is one good fish to use for nitrogen cycle process. Zebra or Danios. This is one of the best fish I am suggesting you on top because these are again not cheap, but these are very less expensive. So you can buy this in dozens and you can have it in your aquarium. So these are very attractive. These fishes will not just stay in one place. This will keep on moving. So for first 2 weeks or 4 weeks in this nitrogen cycling period, you will not feel bored seeing this fish. You will not even feel like you are cycling your aquarium. These fish will keep you always active and happy. So this is number one fish which I am going to suggest. You can definitely have it. You can buy 1 dozen of it because these are very small fish. You can buy more also. So these are very small, so that if you buy 2 dozens or 1 dozen, then definitely a lot of waste will be created and beneficial bacteria creation process will be fast, because the more the waste, the beneficial bacteria will get created soon. Any fish you buy to process your nitrogen cycle, buy one type of fish. Don't mix up your aquarium with different kinds of fish because it will create more aggression, and because of aggression your fish will fall sick and end up dying. So I would recommend you to have one type of fish instead of different kinds of fish. One type of fish is enough for cycling your aquarium. After your aquarium is set, then you can buy different types of fish based on the compatibility and have it in your aquarium. So that's it guys. I think this video was helpful for you. If you really liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.